Hey there, future creators. Welcome to Kidskod. Today, we're not just playing games, we're going behind the scenes to learn how to build them. Ready to dive into the world of coding with our feather-brained friends? Let's go. Oh no, look at that. The birds lost their eggs, and that wooden fortress looks impossible to get through. Should we just guess and hope for the best? No way. Coding is all about problem solving, using our brains to find the smartest path to victory. To talk to a computer, we need a recipe, just like making a sandwich. These steps are called an algorithm. If you forget a step, the sandwich falls apart and the game won't work. Coding is just giving the perfect recipe. Order matters. Our yellow bird needs to move, then jump, then hit the target. If we mix them up, he'll jump into the air before he even reaches the fortress. In coding, we call this sequence. Coding lets the game make decisions. If the birds are sleeping, then the pig can sneak away. Else, if they wake up, run for it. That's the if/else rule. It's what makes games feel smart and reactive. Check out these chests. These are like digital buckets where we store numbers. One chest for score and one for lives. When you win, the number inside grows. We call these variables. How do we hit the bullseye every time? With math. By coding the right angle and power, we can predict exactly where our bird will land. The better your math, the better your aim. Imagine an explosion with no sound. Pretty boring, right? With code, we add sound effects and flashes that make the game feel alive. Coding is the soul that gives the game its energy. Congratulations, hero! You've just unlocked the secrets of professional game developers. Now it's your turn. What do you want to code next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Kidskod. Now, go start coding!